Hi guys, welcome back to the Taurus Mix. It's been a long time since I uploaded a video, but I'm going to start back uploading new videos. I'm going to try to upload at least twice a month. Well, you guys, we're getting close to celebrating Zeta Phi Beta Sorority Incorporated 105 years of service. So I decided I was going to get me some tennis shoes out and fix up to celebrate this occasion. So I'm going to take you on this journey with me. For this project, you're going to need a multitude of items. I have a small container of diamonds, a string of diamonds. Those diamonds are flat back. You're going to need some E6000. I also use E7000. You're going to need a tool to put your diamonds on, some tweezers. You're going to need some scissors. You're also going to need some super glue. You're going to need some shoes to work on. I bought some Zeta Phi Beta paraphernalia like the date, the Zeta Phi Beta symbols, the shield, and I'm going to use those to place on the shoes also. You have some ribbon. I have some pearls, the royal blue pearls, and I have some white pearls. All items can be purchased from Dollar Tree, Walmart, Amazon, Hobby Lobby, Michaels. So let's get started placing these items on the shoes. As you can see, I'm taking that roll of trim and I'm placing it on the stitching on the outside of the shoe. First, I'm measuring it against the shoe, and then I'm going to use the E6000. So here I am gluing the E6000 along the stitch line. Then I'm making sure that it covers the whole area that I want to place the trim on. I'm going to cover the shoe on the stitch area on both sides, the inside of the shoe and the outside of the shoe. You can also see me using the E6000 on the back of the shoe where the stitching is. I'm going to take that string of diamonds and place it back on the back of the shoe. We're getting closer to the end of this video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Once I completed that, I'm going to take a rag and I'm going to wipe the toe of the shoe to get the shine off before I start to place each diamond. And as you can see, I'm placing each diamond on the tip of the shoe. This is my first time ever taking on a project like this, so I did make some mistakes. But remember, only use the E6000 on the shoe portion of the shoe. Do not use the super glue. You only use the super glue for the tip of the shoes. Now let's move on to the second part of the shoe, the side of the shoe, where I'm going to be placing my royal blue pearls and my white pearls. Since it's my first time, when I did my first shoe, I placed my pearls in a certain order and it ended up looking like a pattern. If you're going to do a pattern, make sure you draw a pattern on both shoes so that they can match. it was very difficult for me to mimic that pattern on the second shoe, but I did as close as I possibly could. As you can see, I use big pearls, small pearls, medium pearls. You can choose whatever pearls you like to use. You can use all large or all small pearls. So this is what the shoe is looking like thus far. Now here's the finished product. Zeta Phi Beta paraphernalia that I had, I put those on some ribbon, and I use ribbon as my shoestring. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks you guys so much for watching. Until next time.